Hello traders, it is 10:27, 3 minutes until oil news release. Expectations for oil today plus 0.5. What does that mean? It means if expectations are positive, it is very good news as long as the number does not exceed 0.5. If the number exceeds 0.5, it is actually a bearish news, meaning if oil has too much output, price should collapse. So it is actually completely opposite to the news when it comes to regular news. Again, on oil, higher than expected is actually bearish news. Oil should become cheaper. So let's look on the charts and what we had been doing on oil. Oil sitting at the end of the minor trend on our guiding light 1 hour chart, which is what we use for day trading purposes. But we always clearly paying attention to much bigger time frames, especially monthly. This is precisely what I've been seeing entire week. Bullish rallies. Price spelled out these levels on monthly charts since 2011. Reversal zone is in. Will these bullish rallies we've been seeing on very small time frames pick up this steam? We know to respect this level, and that's precisely the reason why hourly chart had been rallying. What is oil telling me right now? Oil's telling me right now, respect the end of the minor trend. Don't buy into it. We already took advantage of the short. So what would we like to see on oil? We would like actually to see oil as low as possible. Lower oil collapses, better off we are. So, we would love to buy oil here. Right now we know extremely well not to buy oil. If oil will continue flying, we will look to sell from here. These two levels are very, very crucial resistance levels. And here is oil news. It's out. Buckle up. How did we know? To expect selling pressure. News means nothing. I have no idea what the numbers are. I just simply know to adore this level. And never, ever, ever entered into it. That's why I spelled out to you. My bias at this area is bearish. For the first 5 minutes, I will ignore what oil is doing. We're expecting the wildness to continue, and here is the output. It's extremely bearish. We have 100 times more production of oil. 100 times more, which means what? Expect complete collapse. How did we know to respect this level? How did we know that our bias on hourly is bearish? Nevertheless, we're monitoring oil extremely carefully. 3 more minutes. Guess what? I may be buying oil. Right now, I'm simply monitoring this push to the downside, and I'm respecting what price will tell me next. Always crucial to ignore what oil does first few minutes after the news release. But we knew that our bias at this level is bearish, and that's why only trade I had taken this morning had been bearish. But next few minutes we're gonna find out if news means something, if collapse will continue, or the collapse is very, very temporary. Here we go, buckle up. At any moment, I may be buying oil. I simply pay attention to the price. That's all that matters. And in the next few minutes, I know what to do. My bias currently is completely bullish, and it's 2 minutes after the news. How predictable is price? Buckle up. Bearish news, and my bias is very, very bullish. At this particular moment, 2 minutes after the news. How predictable is price? Extremely bearish news, and we are buying oil. We are at very important target. Would be such a lovely, lovely confirmation once again. Respect and adore your levels. Nothing in the world is random. Will bullish rally continue? This is crucial key target on oil. And again, if oil blasting through this level, next level 46.26. But you have to adore 46.14. And that's exactly where oil had taken a major pause, as expected. So after our bullish trade completed, we've shorted oil. And here is the short on oil. Will oil finally confirm the news? Again, we've shorted oil well before the news. And well before the news, I stated clearly, if I'm buying, I will know extremely well where to get out. And here is the short. Will short give us a little more than this? That remains to be seen. As expected, buying power is in, buying power is in. I warned you, this will remain very, very crucial level. At any moment, I will be buying oil. Are you clear? How crucial these Fibonacci levels are. How important it is to respect what the end of the minor trend constitutes. Do not ever enter into this level. Respect it dearly. This remains the key. Oil continued defending 45.90, but I don't see any long trades. Still short. Oil was not able to break through the end of the minor trend. Oil respected that target. At any moment, I will be buying oil. It's been an hour and a half since the news release. We have not seen any spectacular formations besides those 3 trades I had taken. We have extremely bearish news and very, very calm markets. No bearish collapse yet. The dance is on. I will allow oil few more minutes. Don't be surprised if I will be taking another long, as that's what the price had been doing. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Very small formations, with targets of maximum 15-20 ticks. It is shocking, no? We have 50 times as much supply of oil, which is a historical number, and we're seeing no collapse. How is it possible? Simply because that's what price told us on hourly. I only respect news for volatility, and I pay attention to what price is telling me. We took short from this level, and we took long from here. We danced back and forth, back and forth. So we'll give oil a few more minutes. Let's see if it will give me something else we can trade. So finally, can oil do something more? Can finally it continue its rally? As again, we're not seeing any bearish collapse anywhere, despite incredibly overwhelming oil supply that came in with 50 times more oil than needed. So our last trade on oil did not work out. First loser of the day. Let's update the results. What did we accomplish today on S&P? We had taken 3 trades. When I'm trading and taking aggressive trades, I'm warning you, respect and adore decision point 1, correct? Here we go. We had taken 3 trades, which would make it 21. Clear? Out of 21 trades, how many of our trades had made it to decision point 1? extremely important point. "18 trades respected that level." Out of those trades, how many trades made it to decision point 2? When my students trading conservatively, that is the very first level that's essential to respect on S&P. One of these trades made it to decision point 2. And one of those trades also made it to reversal zone. How many trades have we done on oil? 4. Correct? Out of 4 trades, 1 trade was negative. 4. Make this 21. Clear? Out of 21 trades, you had 17 trades that reached our targets. What separates knowledgeable trader from trader who is trading S&P today? As I warned you clearly this morning, we have extremely aggressive formations as bearish trend is exhausted, completely exhausted. And it is absolutely crucial to respect that level. And that's what we've done so far this month. 21 trades on oil, 17 trades reached extremely important level. When I'm trading counter trend and I'm trading aggressive structure, I highly encourage you to listen so. Out of 4 trades, 4 trades were aggressive. On S&P, exact same thing. Out of 21 trades, 3 trades were aggressive. If you're not trading aggressively, today you're waiting for S&P to finish the correction. The correction will end when price will come here. That remains the key. Why we're seeing such powerful bullish rallies on oil and not a powerful selling pressure, despite one of the most powerful bearish news on record? Because of this level, because of the magic number that we've been discussing entire day in Alpha Wave Traders Club, 46. If you know oil, you know what 46 means. And that's crucial to adore and respect on oil. That's all there is. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Adios, trading room. New class starts on Monday. Back tomorrow morning. Fibonacci class Friday.